Robins are small, chirpy birds that are common sights in many backyards and parks. They belong to the family of birds called the Thrashers and Sparrows, specifically the genus Turdus. Robins are known for their distinctive red breast, which is actually a plumage pattern that only appears in adult males during the breeding season. These birds have a diet that varies with the seasons. In the summer, they mainly eat insects, while in the winter, they switch to fruits and berries. Robins are not native to North America, despite their widespread presence. They were intentionally introduced to the continent by English settlers in the 19th century. Their migratory patterns are fascinating. Robins in the US and Canada typically migrate south for the winter, while those in Europe and Asia are resident birds. Robins are interestingly one of the first birds to return in the spring. Their arrival is often considered a sign of the coming of spring. Robins are also known for their nesting habits. They build their nests in a variety of places, including trees, bushes, and even on the ground. Their nests are cup-shaped and are made of twigs, grass, and other plant materials. They line the inside of the nest with softer materials like moss, feathers, and hair. Robins are songbirds, and they have a beautiful, melodious song. Their songs are a series of short phrases, often repeated multiple times. Robins are not only beautiful to look at, but they also play an important role in controlling insect populations, especially during the summer months. In some cultures, robins have symbolic meanings. In Christianity, they are often associated with the resurrection of Christ due to their red breast, which resembles the blood shed by Jesus. Robins are a delightful addition to any garden or park, and their presence is a welcome sight for many. Their fascinating behaviors and adaptability make them a beloved bird species around the world. So, next time you spot a robin, take a moment to appreciate this small, chirpy, and beautiful bird. Its presence is a reminder of the wonders of the natural world.